Welcome to Gerberta Brillant. Let's go! This is all. Let's go!
This is our library.
And these are our capgrossos.
Traditional and emblematic photography.
This is our huge playground.
And this is the music class.
1, 2, 3 y...
And this is the second part of the paper. And this is a reading club.
This is our teaching.
And these are the changing rooms.
And this is the first floor.
Biology lab. Physics and chemistry lab. And art class.
And this is our lobby.
Come with us to the second floor.
And here there are some bachelor classes in French.
This is the technology class.
We went to a residence of San Fetes Escalion.
We played board games with them and helped them with some activities.
We did a bingo, and for the winners we gave prizes.
We helped to organize Marcha del Terme. Marcha del Terme is a very famous walk here in San Fetes that a lot of people do every year.
We also helped our middle school students doing review classes.
We went to the living rice in Cesar Arroz, that it is a famous party here in San Fetes de Bages.
We hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye!